Hi guys, in this video tutorial we will learn how we can upload resume in LinkedIn. So you can open LinkedIn app over here. Once it will get open, you can click on profile and here you can see a setting option. You can just click on setting option. Once you will click, and it will redirect you to a setting menu, and here you can see a data and privacy option. Click on data and privacy, and here you got an option about job seeking preferences, and under the job seeking you will get a job application setting, and here you will get a menu of upload your resume. So you can simply upload your resume over here by choosing a right file. So I'm just click on upload resume and it will redirect me to the downloads option. So here you can see my resume is just placed over here and it will get uploaded. So if you want to make it visible for different organizations, so different recruiters will be able to see your resume, you can click on visibility. So once you will click on the visibility, it will redirect you to your profile options, and here you can make a restriction which profile you want, your name and headline, profile characteristics, and different private mode. So I think so the best and recommended one is your name and headlines showing on your LinkedIn profile. So in this way you can make it public visibility as well. So once you will make it visible, you can click on profile, and here you what you can do, you can make your resume in the form of pictures. So you can click on recommended and select on features, and here you can see a plus option where you can take a photo of resume from your folder, and it will just help you out to get a quick overview of your resume.